Hello, tutor and classmates. This is the presentation of the activity Speaking for English 2. Presentation. My name is Julio Alberto Novoa Campos. I am 28 years old. I was born in Bogota City. Now I am a student at the Environmental Engineering at the Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia, UNA. I am work at the Capital Channel, how environmental manager. In my free time, I like reading, writing, and sleeping. Also, I see horror movies and walk. I am single and I am living with my mother, my sister, and my niece. The travel. My travel was Santa Marta, Colombia. About the city. This city is the most beautiful for me because their beaches are beautiful, clean and crystalline. It has a great biodiversity besides having the Tayrona Park, one of the most diverse I know. Ubication. The city of Santa Marta is the capital of the department of Magdalena. It is located in the northern part of the country, between the Sierra Nevada of Santa Marta and the Caribbean Sea, which give it a great tourist and ecological attraction. The trip experience. My trip experience was good. I knew and enjoyed it in Santa Marta. I swam in the beach and walked in the Tayrona Park. This city are very cool and the people are very cordially with the tourists. I visited this beautiful place with my family. The travel was in headway in the family car. Was a great experience for me. The weather. The weather in Santa Marta is very pleasant. It doesn't rain and it is always sunny. The beach breeze is very comfortable and you can wear light and comfortable clothes, sandals, shorts, and t-shirts mainly. It is important to use sunscreen so as not to burn the skin. Recommendations to the place visit. I recommend using sunscreen and drink plenty of water to be well hydrated. Wear a hat and have and a lot of desire to travel this beautiful city. The company is very important. I recommend making the trip as a couple or with the family. Goodbye.